Click on the link below to get price. Are you finding it difficult to carve out that perfect additional living space for guests? Maybe a dedicated home office, or perhaps you're daydreaming about a cozy vacation retreat. Well, it's time to stop searching and start imagining. Introducing the Amazon 2-story modern container home, your ultimate solution to all your spatial dilemmas. This innovative design isn't just about aesthetics. It seamlessly combines style and functionality, making it an ideal addition to any backyard. Now, picture this. You step into a modern marvel that features not just one, but 2 stories, complete with a stunning rooftop patio. This is the perfect spot for catching those golden sunsets or hosting memorable gatherings with friends and family. And let's not forget the sleek balcony that adds a charming touch, where mornings can be enjoyed sipping coffee while taking in breathtaking views. Versatility is one of the standout features of this container home. It can easily morph into whatever you need it to be. Maybe you're looking for a quaint guest house to accommodate friends and family, a serene office space that enhances your productivity during those challenging work-from-home days, a creative studio that serves as your artistic sanctuary, or even a charming vacation cabin to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The beauty of this design is that it can adapt effortlessly to fit your unique needs. Now, let's address a common concern: the assembly process. You might think that something so stylish would be complicated to put together. But don't fret. The Amazon 2-story modern container home is designed for easy assembly, meaning you can set it up quickly without the hassle. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to transform your backyard into your dream space. Just imagine the satisfaction of watching your vision come to life right before your eyes. Speaking of aesthetics, the modern look of this container home seamlessly complements a variety of backyard landscapes. Its sleek lines and contemporary design make it not just a structure, but a stylish addition to any property. Whether your backyard is sprawling or snug, this home will enhance its appeal. For those of you who love to put a personal stamp on your space, you're in luck. This container home offers a variety of customization options, allowing you to mold it to fit your unique tastes and needs. Whether you envision a cozy reading nook bathed in sunlight, a vibrant workspace filled with inspiration, or even a little garden area to unwind, the possibilities are truly endless. Let your imagination run wild as you consider how to make this space your own. And let's not overlook one of the most important aspects of our time: sustainability. Container homes are celebrated for their eco-friendly features. They utilize recycled materials, which helps to reduce your environmental impact. So not only can you enjoy your beautiful new space, but you can also feel good about being kind to our planet. And that's something we can all get behind, right? But hey, don't just take my word for it. Here's what some satisfied customers have to say about their experiences. This container home transformed my backyard into a beautiful guest retreat. Another chimed in: I now have the perfect home office that inspires creativity every day. These testimonials resonate with many who have made similar choices, and they speak volumes about the quality and versatility of this amazing product. Now, I want you to take a moment and think, what would you do with this space? Would you invite friends over for weekend movie marathons? Or perhaps create a productive workspace that fuels your ambitions? The options are as varied as your imagination. So what are you waiting for? Visit the product page or check out our website to learn more and make that purchase today. Take a step toward enhancing your living space with the Amazon 2-story modern container home. To recap, we've talked about a stylish, functional, and eco-friendly solution that's perfect for guests, work, or even relaxation. Just imagine all the possibilities this remarkable home can bring to your life. Your dream space is just a click away. Let's make it happen. Click on the link below to get price.